Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I finally got battery conditioning mode installed. It's only taken 6 months to get this, and trying to convince my dealer the update existed. In the end I managed to get the details, which I'll put in the description notes, and I've done that in the previous video anyway. They also asked me why I needed it, because they needed it to try and do a warranty claim. So I said that the car was sold to me and marketed with 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. Also, there's interviews on the internet, as I've said before, with Robert Llewellyn, with the CEO of Kia UK, saying it would do it. And also the designer of the battery heating system says the battery heating system was designed to do 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. But there's no way of turning it on because there's no manual mode, and this has always been missing from the car. So now I feel the car is finally finished. Anyway, I've got car scanner plugged in, and I've got it on screen 2 of 27. So you can see it's got the battery heater is listed there in the middle, and the min and max battery temperature are also there. Anyway, I can actually demonstrate this without actually going anywhere, and you do that by going into nav, and picking a charger from the navigation system. That's a high-powered charger in my case. So I honestly Stafford, I'm 18 and 19 miles from it, and when I put it on, within a minute you'll see it come on the screen in the binnacle. You get the snowflake on the MY22 and you get a message coming up, but also you can see the temperature rising on the car scanner, and you can also hear the pumps and the heater working, and the whirring starts. So if I do previous destinations, Ionity, set as destination, start guidance, and then listen carefully. Oh, it started. I did try this in drive mode. I'm just on auto hold this morning, and it worked then, but it seems to work just parked on the drive with the car not moving. So I think it needs a full 30 minutes to do the full precondition, depending on the temperature. So the heater's on 12 at the moment, and the battery maximum is 14. So shortly you should see the binnacle message pop up saying battery heater enabled. There it goes, and the snowflakes come on. On the MY23s you get a heater coil, on the MY22s you get the snowflake symbol. So that's it. If I look on car scanner, the heater's now at 16, 17, the battery max is at 14, so it hasn't quite started heating the pack up yet. Coolant's gone up to 19. Coolant's up to 20, so the heater's doing its job. I mean, it's not really getting around the pack much yet. if I slide sideways and look at the battery module temperatures, see they're all 12-13s. Until that gets to about 25 for the pack, it's not really going to be doing its fastest of charging. You see it's consuming 5.3 kilowatts. Strange thing is, it's not pushed the battery max up yet, so I wonder if it's got to be in drive. It'll stay where it is because it's on auto hold. I'll come back to this, but I'll continue to record the car scanner to see how it goes up. Battery max has now gone up to 16, so it is slowly heating the battery. Anyway, it's been running about 10 minutes and the battery max is now up to 19, so it will get there, but I'm not going to carry on recording. I'm just proving that this is working, and you'll hear it when I stop it and you'll see what happens on the screen. So press cancel route, and it stopped. Battery heater's gone off, you heard it click, and the snowflake's gone off on the binnacle. But my range hasn't gone back up, so it's just consumed what it's used. A few observations after the update. In engineering mode, my VCU number didn't change from 5.6 to anything, so I'm guessing the other guy who had it done in the comments had already got it at 7.31. VCU is supposed to be updated, but I don't think Car Scanner can show where it is, and I don't know if the one in engineering mode is the correct one. But it's not supposed to work if both the BMS and the VCU haven't been updated, so that VCU might be a red herring. Also noticed after the car went in, suddenly they've reset the GOM range back up to over 300. It was 290 before it went in, it was 311 when it came back. So BMS update probably did that. The before BMS number was 5208, the after BMS number was 5408. So that's jumped quite a lot. And those are the only differences I could find in my Car Scanner ECU dump. I'll put links to both the before and after files in the description. In America, the update came out like yesterday or the day before, and I mean technically Jeff got hold of it, and their VCU update has got enhancements for iPedal and putting the handbrake on if you press park. That's not the case with the one I've got. I've tried it, so I don't think we got that update. It seems to be US, North America only. Anyway, Those are the only things I've spotted. Hopefully when I've got my battery down a bit more, I can do a proper test of this on Ionity next week. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and good luck getting yours if you're in the UK and have an MY22. All the best. Cheers.